You know, Chip and I have always believed that everyone deserves a beautiful and functional home, a space that truly feels like their own. And I'm so excited to be partnering with ISDDES to share even more design inspiration and easy DIY ideas with you all. Today we're talking about something really close to my heart, the incredible power of room decoration. It's amazing how a few simple changes can completely transform the feel of a room, making it more inviting, more functional, and more you. We're diving into the top 10 advantages of room decoration, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for all of them. So grab a glass of sweet tea, get comfy, and let's get started. First things first, decorating your room just makes it prettier. It's all about creating visual harmony with colors, textures, and arrangements. Think about it. A well-chosen rug, some throw pillows and your favorite fabrics, or even just a vase of fresh flowers can instantly elevate a space and make it much more inviting. Now this one's really important. Our surroundings have a huge impact on how we feel. Believe it or not, the colors you choose, the way you arrange your furniture, even the type of lighting you have can actually influence your mood. Soft, warm lighting creates a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. Bright, vibrant colors can energize a space, while cool, calming tones promote peace and tranquility. It's all about finding what works best for you and the kind of energy you want to create in your room. A beautifully decorated room is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It's also incredibly comfortable and inviting. Think about sinking into a plush armchair with a good book surrounded by soft textures and warm lighting. It's about creating a space where you can truly relax and unwind at the end of a long day. Chapter 4 reflects personality. Now, this is where the fun really begins. Decorating your room is like creating a visual representation of your personality. It's a chance to let your creativity shine and showcase your unique style. Whether you're drawn to vintage finds, modern minimalism, or a touch of farmhouse charm, your decor choices can tell a story about who you are and what you love. Chapter 5 boosts productivity. Believe it or not, a well-decorated room can actually help you stay focused and productive, especially if it's a space where you work or study. When your surroundings are organized, clutter-free, and visually appealing, it's easier to concentrate on the task at hand. So if you're looking for a little motivation boost, consider giving your workspace a refresh. Chapter 6 creates a functional space. Good decoration isn't just about making things look pretty, it's also about making your space more functional and livable. This means incorporating practical solutions like smart storage, efficient layouts, and furniture pieces that serve multiple purposes. Think about how you use the space and look for creative ways to maximize its potential. A well-designed room should be both beautiful and functional. Now this one's for all my fellow homeowners out there. If you're thinking about selling your home someday, investing in some key decor updates can actually increase its value. A fresh coat of paint, updated fixtures, and a well-staged interior can make a world of difference when it comes to attracting potential buyers. Chapter 8 improves organization. A well-decorated room naturally lends itself to better organization. When everything has its place and there's a designated spot for all of your belongings, it's easier to maintain a tidy and clutter-free environment. Think about incorporating stylish storage solutions like baskets, shelves, and drawer organizers to keep your belongings in order. Chapter 9 encourages relaxation. At the end of a long day, your bedroom should be your sanctuary, a place where you can truly relax, unwind, and recharge. Creating a calming and peaceful atmosphere with soft lighting, soothing colors, and comfortable bedding can work wonders for promoting relaxation and better sleep. Chapter 10 makes a good impression. Let's face it, we all want our homes to make a good impression on our guests. Whether it's a casual get-together or a formal dinner party, a well-decorated room sets the tone for the entire experience. It shows your guests that you care about creating a welcoming and hospitable environment, and it makes them feel more comfortable and at ease. Well, friends, There you have it, the top 10 advantages of room decoration. I hope this has inspired you to get creative and add your own personal touch to your living spaces. Remember, your home should be a reflection of you, your style, your personality, and your passions. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun with it. After all, decorating should be a joyful and rewarding experience. Be sure to check back soon for more design inspiration, DIY projects, and tips for creating a home you truly love. See you next time.